Hi, Dedrick. My name's Dean Lanton from Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile up from the Galleria in Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for your inquiry about the Hyundai selections that we have here. The best thing about the Hyundai brand is it's the best warranty in the business. 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double that to 20-year, 200,000 mile if you buy it from Tameron Hyundai. Very interested in your trade, the 2016 Altima. My managers are very excited about that. Come see me. Give me a call at 205-401-5511, 205-401-5511. My name is Dean, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.